Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites so the join succeeds. Confirm the Azure AD tenant and a global administrator account, and verify OS support and network access. Next, register the device in your Azure portal and enable device settings like Azure AD Join and automatic MDM enrollment. Make sure Intune or your chosen MDM is ready. Once done, sign into the device with a local admin or work account to initiate the join process and prepare for the configuration flow. Begin the join on the device. Open accounts and choose to connect to work or school, then select Join this device to Azure Active Directory. Enter your work or school credentials and follow interactive prompts. If MFA is required, approve the verification. The device will contact Azure to register and apply policies. Once enrollment completes, the system creates a local profile linked to your Azure AD identity. Make sure to reboot if prompted so policy and certificate provisioning finish cleanly. Finish by confirming the device appears in Azure AD devices and that the correct user is assigned. Check Intune for compliance and deployed policies. Once done, test access to resources governed by conditional access to ensure tokens and certificates are valid. If anything goes wrong, run diagnostic steps. Examine Event Viewer for errors, run dsregcmd/status to inspect join state, and verify network and DNS reachability to Azure endpoints. If necessary, remove and rejoin the device after resolving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.